Hi, I'm Bradley from Bayti Real Estate and welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom plus maids townhouse in the brand new Murooj Al Furjan West. This property is on the market for rent. As you walk into the door, on the right hand side you'll have your downstairs bathroom. Right next to that you will also have your maid room with an ensuite bathroom. Across from the maid's room, you will have a laundry and a large storage. Heading on straight ahead will be your dining and living area, and on the left hand side you have a closed kitchen with a large serving window. It's a beautiful, modern and spacious kitchen for a 3-bedroom townhouse. This is also a Type A Murooj townhouse which has all ensuite bathrooms. So now entering the open plan living and dining area. You have a spacious dining and living room, all floor to ceiling windows, and a very bright inside property. Heading outside, you'll have a large garden, a shaded nook, and a massive benefit about this property is it's situated right on the park, and right down the park will be the community swimming pool. This is a brand new Nakheel developed property, never been lived in, and ready to move in immediately. Heading upstairs, you have a storage in the hallway. On the left hand side, you'll have your first 2 bedrooms. All bedrooms has fully built-in wardrobe, spacious and bright bedrooms with its own bathrooms. This is bedroom number 1. Ensuite bathroom with a shower. This is bedroom number 2. Again, fully built-in wardrobe. And your ensuite bathroom with a shower. Heading to the master's bedroom, you will see it's got a large walk-in wardrobe, more than enough storage. On the left hand side, you can have an ensuite bathroom, a much larger one with a shower and a bath. And a very spacious and bright master bedroom with access to a balcony. Now the master bedroom has a beautiful view of the community park and the back garden. Definitely prime location for the park, especially if you have children. You can basically just exit the back garden and walk down to the swimming pool. It's a beautiful property. If you are interested or want to arrange for any viewings, you are welcome to contact me on the details provided, and we can schedule that for you. Beautiful property.